How to get Keanu Reeves beard styles at free cost? Keanu Reeves' beard style is one of the most iconic beards in Hollywood. It's been around for a decade, and it's still going strong today. But what does his beard style say about him? And how can you get that same look? We'll show you all the different styles he's worn over the years. Step-by-step guide to get Keanu Reeves beard styles. 1. Trim to a uniform length. 2. Outline your beard. 3. Shave cheeks and neck cleanly. Use beard care products. Below are steps on how to style your patchy beard if you're struggling with patchiness or thin facial hair growth. Grow your beard freely for 2 to 3 weeks can be a helpful way to find out how the hair grows and you can spot the patches. And long facial hair, as you know, can sometimes help to cover any patches. Trim your beard regularly because the appearance of a patchy beard can be reduced by trimming your facial hair. Make sure you give yourself a neat and even trim, and check as you go. Use some hair fibers conceal hair loss. 2. Clean up the lines. A patchy beard can often look weird and abnormal if you leave it without care. So, you should always tidy your beard. Line up your beard will make your patchy beard look attractive. If you want to grow your beard like Keanu Reeves and take care of it, use olive oil every day.